Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with an entry number 2 into my Red Birthday Challenge. And I already ripped the back, so I haven't opened it up, so because I couldn't get it at first, I ended up stopping the tape and ripping the back, but I haven't looked into it yet. So let's see what we have. So first I got a card. So this will be Mary. It says, "Oh holy night, it is the night of our Savior's birth." And let's see. Oh, from Lori. It says, "Dawn, may the miracle of Christmas find you safe in the peace of God and warm in the light of Christ. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I'm blessed to know you and call you my crafting friend and neighbor." Yes, because we don't live, but a couple hours away. Have a great 2019. Be blessed, Lori. So thank you, Lori. Oh, that's cute. It says, "Positive, gracious, thankful, creative, happy, cheerful, be." Oh, I like that. It's a nice little stamp. Okay. So, I'm so excited. Oh, look at this. Very pretty. Thank you so much, Lori. Look at that. So, she has, I've got some of this right here, too. This is the, what would you call it? I got it from the Dollar Tree. It's textured. It looks like lace, and they have some of them like owls, feathers, like different hearts, different types of trim, and you can feel it. It's textured. And so she put 2 different types of ones up here, and it says, and the sticker says, "Fill your day with fill your day with roses." And then the bottom says #gorgeous, and then she's got some pearlized hearts and certainly rhinestones right here. So, and then you see right here's a strip of roses in the middle. Thank you, Miss Lori. And on the back, she's got her name, and it says, "Life is not measured by the breaths we take, but by the moments we take out." But see, I cannot read on camera. Am I the only one that has that problem? Like, you go numb, you can't remember anything, can't read. I don't know what the problem is. And thank you for putting your address on the back. I appreciate it. I just saw that sticker. It says, "Life is not measured by the breaths we take, but by the moments that take our breath away." Like, why can I not read that? But some of the things that she likes, her favorite colors are green, pink, and cream. And thanks for putting your birthday. She's a February baby. Love fall and Christmas. Love Paris. I wish I can go there. So she loved the Parisian theme. Juliet and dolls, gorgeous dolls, tea themes, and butterflies. Alrighty, thank you for letting me know that. I appreciate that. You're going to be, hold on 1 second. I did order this from May Made It, and this one I was trying out up here. Got it from May Made It, and I ordered it, and like 2 days later I got it. It's the Heidi Swat one. So yay. So I didn't stick it up that good. That was my first one, and this is my second one. So I'm so excited. So ladies, thank you for playing along. Thank you, Lori, and I can't wait till that to get filled. I'm excited. And so the last date has to be postmarked by January the 14th, and then I will be having a drawing, and I'm adding to it. There's to be some dies and some stamps and the platform and diamond dots and some different things like that. So some coloring stuff, different things just to get you to try different mediums, and depending on how many participants I get, if I'm gonna have 1 or 2, if it's an international person, it would be money in the account. So check out Lori. Her link below for her YouTube channel will be in the link below, so go show her some love. She likes to do a lot of flowers and a lot of different crafting, even crocheting and stuff. So check out her channel. And thanks again, Lori. You guys take care. God bless. Bye bye.